Dan,
What?
make me a snack.
What do you want?
I don't know, make me a retro sandwich.
Okay, let's go. Hey everybody! So it's been a while, but we're gonna make a snack. I'm gonna ask my beautiful fiance Molly to come help me out with this because she found the recipe. Oh, hey Molly!
Hi, Dan.
Thanks for joining us.
Oh, yeah, anytime.
So,
All right.
what are we making today?
Well, we are making a retro open-faced sandwich, specifically a pimento sandwich. That's not just pimento, it's pimento and cheese, and it sounds very interesting. It sounds pretty tasty, and I thought this would be perfect for you to make a snack because you said you were hungry, so.
And it is lunchtime.
It is lunchtime.
So.
So let's get going.
All right, so what do we do first?
We need to go over to the stove, which means I need to grab the camera.
Okay, well let's do that. We'll see you guys over there.
Okay.
All right, everybody, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your milk and you're going to add it into your pan, and then your cornstarch, and then you're going to whisk that together till it's mixed in really well, and then you're going to add your cheese and the butter until it has a creamy texture. So now we're just going to wait. We're going to heat this until it's thickened, and then we'll add the cheese and butter. And the recipe will be available in the video's description. And make sure you stir this constantly. And you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. I'm using sharp cheddar. So there you have it. Now we're just going to wait until this comes to a creamy texture, and we're basically making a cheese sauce.
Tell us
No.
a joke, Dan.
No jokes. Alright, I got a joke. What did one traffic light say to the other? Stop looking, I'm changing.
How's that cheese sauce coming?
That's good, it's done.
Oh, alright, then we want to take it off the heat and let it cool. Okay, let's give this like 5 minutes.
Alright everybody, so we're back. The cheese has cooled down enough. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add relish, pimentos, and then salt and pepper into the cheese mix, and then we'll spread it all on the bread.
It says pickle relish. We're using dill relish, so use your favorite kind, and then put all of those pimentos in. And then make sure you drain your pimentos. And then you just season it to taste with salt and pepper, so as much as you like.
You know what this would be really good on?
Huh.
Nachos.
Oh yeah, this would probably
This would be amazing for nachos.
Go ahead. And it says to serve this, now once you mix it all together, you spread it on buttered, thin sliced bread. So I've just got these sourdough rounds that have a little bit of butter on them. So this is kind of an unusual, I've never had a sandwich like this before. And it didn't say how many it made. I have 4 slices of bread here, but I think that this would make more than 4 slices. Try to make them pretty because I have to take a picture of these. We'll eat the ugly ones first. The moment of truth. You ready to try this?
I'm definitely ready. Are you guys ready?
I think they're probably ready.
You think they're ready? I think we should do this. Ready? Oh, sandwich toast.
This is an unusual sandwich.
It almost reminds me of like just a different form of a grilled cheese sandwich.
It's almost too salty because there's salt in the cheese, we use salted butter, and then there's probably salt in this stuff, and then we added salt. I don't think we needed to add salt to this.
Yeah, no, it's pretty salty.
Yeah, so it's good otherwise. I think it's actually really delicious. I'm a little messy to eat, but I think it's very unusual.
Yeah, I can't remember ever having pimentos before.
They're in a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I can't think of.
They're kind of hard to find.
I can't think of anything I've ever eaten them in. But it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's like nachos with bread.
Yeah. Wait, hang on. Amazon. It's okay, baby.
Jeez.
I know. Thank you. Anyways.
Well, Amazon was just here, so that's lovely.
We should have given him one. Isn't that
COVID.
weird? Yeah, it's COVID. You're not eating your bread slice.
Oh, I thought you wanted to take pictures. So.
No, I'm taking pictures of these. Fairly quick and easy recipe. Good for a snack. And it's really tasty. Just be careful of the amount of salt.
This would go really good with pretzels.
Mm-hmm.
Right, dipping sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit spicier.
Dan's a big fan of the sauce.
I am.
It'd be really good with pretzels.
The wheels are already turning for different things we can use this for.
Nachos, pretzels, what else? Like a chip dip? Well, there you go, Dan. What do you think?
I think it's delicious.
This was a good snack.
Yeah.
Good snack recipe. Oh, and
Where did this come from, Molly?
this came from the Household Searchlight Recipe Book. This is from 1937. And it's under the section called Open Face Sandwiches. Sometimes you don't need a lid. Well, it's true. Sometimes you don't need a lid. So, there you go. Well, there you go. A pimento open face sandwich from 1937, and apparently it's delicious. Well, if you like this content and you want to see more vintage recipes like this pimento open face sandwich or retro sandwich, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Wednesday and sometimes on Friday, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
Bye, everybody.
And I hope to see you in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.